Hello traders, this is Leading Forex YouTube channel, and we are here again with a price action technical analysis. Okay, so today I want us to look at USDCHF. This is USDCHF on a monthly time frame. Now, those of us that can see clearly, you will see that USDCHF, today's date is 13th of December 2020. 13th December 2020. The market will be opened in the next 1 hour. So let's do this analysis before the market opens. Okay, so as you can see, on the monthly time frame, this trade here is on a very strong support. Over here on the monthly time frame, it's on a very strong support at this level. So what should come in your mind, or what you should see here, is that this trade at this level may have a rebound. The trade may go up, okay, because it is on a very strong support, almost on a support level, the latter part of the support, if you can all see. So if I'll put this red line here, then you will know that what I'm seeing is exactly what you are also seeing. Okay, so if you can see this, then you know that yes, like I'm saying, it's on a very strong support, almost on the support. Now if I switch to the weekly time frame and then I zoom in, this is what you will see. I pray that you should be able to see it well, because it's zoomed in. But if I zoom out, taking into consideration the very part I showed you as a strong support, then I'll go back like this, and I am sure you will be seeing it here. I hope you can see it here, almost on this support. We have about 90 pips to hit exactly on the support. USDCHF on the weekly time frame, we are left with about 90 pips for it to hit on the support. Okay, so those of you who are watching, if I zoom in, you will see it clearly. You see that we almost on the support, looking at where the trade is. And if I zoom out, you see that we are almost closer to the support. If I do this, yes, we are almost closer to the support. All right, this is on the weekly. So if you are a weekly trader, then you know what it is. But one would say, looking at this candle right away here, this candle here has shown a bit of rejection on the weekly. So a pin bar is almost formed here. Yes, that is true. And so if I come to daily, let me zoom in and go to daily time frame. If I come to daily time frame, this is what it's look like on daily. Now on the daily time frame, you'll see that the reset candle has actually closed back to level the bearish candle here. This was on a bearish, and then the recent candle has gone to close up the bearish candle, which means that there is an upward movement to come from now onwards. So if I'm a trader and I'm looking for an opportunity in this trade, it will be a buy. Yes, it will be a buy. This is what I'll be looking at for. So if I'm going to set my buy trade here, it is as a result of what I'm seeing on daily here. On the weekly and the monthly, just like I have shown you, this trade is on the support, almost on the support, which you can see. This is monthly time frame, almost on the support. All right, so as traders, one will assume that okay, this trade will come down about 90 pips to hit the support before it will start reversing up. This is on the monthly, but on the weekly, similar thing is happening, and this pin bar is showing you that hey, this trade will be ready to go up any moment from now on the weekly time frame, because this pin we are seeing here is a sign of an upward momentum about to form. And then on the daily, it has shown clearly. The first candle on the daily has moved for a buy. Now let's see 4 hour what we can see. On the 4 hour, this is what we can see on the 4 hour. Alright, so what do you expect? On the 4 hour, this trade, even if they need be, it will only come up, do a little pullback, and then go up again. So on the 4 hour and then on the 1 hour, this is what we can see on the 1 hour. Just like we can see on the 1 hour, the up move has just begun on the 1 hour. Alright, so I am a daily time frame trader, and looking at the daily time frame now, the possibility of this trade going up is very high. But if you really want to trade this for weekly, then your stop loss should be 100 pips. That is minimum 100 pips. Yes, so that it will hit exactly on this support. That is if you want to trade on weekly. Your stop loss should be about 100 pips, and then your TP should be about 200 or 300 pips. Yes, your TP should be about 200 or 300 pips, and then your stop loss 100 pips. With that, I am sure this trade is a win for you. So this is USDCHF on the weekly time frame, on the monthly, on the 4 hour, and then on daily. So this is the price action we can all see on USDCHF. So just like I've said, you can see it clearly, the up move has just begun. You can put your best bet on it, and I'm sure before the week ends or the month ends, you'll reap not less than 200 to 300 pips from this trade. If it's a buy, that is what I'm telling you. Yes, because it is a buy. USDCHF, I see a buy here with a minimum TP of 200 or 300 pips, and then a stop loss of 100 pips. Alright, so this is what we have on Leading Forex for you in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos.